Yamati phone ya dofo nyina kwa baso famra dwumadi so and your first time ahwe dwumadi ya subscribe share for comment no enso etimi to ase na bibia so entimi nkoso kama so ewa ha how to folk honsam ewa ha sei players ni pina so honsam ewa ha se di nkomo na bibia so no etimi ekoso kama Ghana Football Association enso ene meeting ne betimi abaso a chese eno ade ne ba so na chese no so enye is a great honsam enso etimi eba na oko division 1 no so a anze Premier League na enkoso dia division 1 de eno so etimi ekoso ati ase entin yan hase crime free division 1 no ene games ni bi etimi eba so wo match day 16 at ase Friday no atram diversa anytime for Port City and so na day ebony when ya for say zone 3 enumu ho a say ye de won some division 1 zone 3 no and the Port City and as a team of atram diversa and Port City neighbor 3:00 p.m. na afi nyambo china Saturday Golden Cake and na God FC etimiabo FC Nania and Kotoko Royals and so ebona Sunday no me pacho Rain Masters and True Democracy abo Koforidia Sempafie and team of Inter Alliance ebo Ken Palace and Great Olympics ebo Home Stars and Oko United na Ho United ni Akasi All Stars afewram e zone 2 no mu a matches be free zone 2 no so etima ba chance and so etimi afri ho be patch zone 2 matches no e Kimfaisa ene Enzema Kotoko second day Rose Park and team finish Future Stars be kwa Heroes and new HBS Yankonkwa Mysterious Dwarfs and Park Academy Sky FC and Soccer Intellectuals team finish Sekim FC and UCC Young Stars yes Sefi All Blacks and I say Sefi All Stars and some any Elimina Sharks team finish Swodro All Blacks and a second D 11 wise and so and a bit me apo e woni aye finish zone 2 no afo ko near finish zone 1A no mo e ho and a team finish Tamale City and Wa Power ebebo Yape FC and Royal Tamale United RTU ebebo Wa Sorry Nante and Victory Club Warriors and subitimi apo Wale Catholic Stars and Northern City and subitimi apo ewo zone 1A no na bibia akoso zone 1B no e ho so no Mighty Royals and bofa kwata no and ebebo DBB United and Thomas City Kak Soccer Academy and Techiman Heroes and subebo Techiman 11 Wonders and Techiman Liberty and subitimi apontine no me pacha Ghana Access Bank Division 1 League no and so ebi be hase ene na afini Saturday ene ne Sunday so na ebi so bitimi ahase and so ho nemom ni ayefre say Premier League ni de enim da be hase enso etimi elho na eno ameka chem se meeting na so etimi ekoso ewo ni ayefre se GFA secretariat wo internet day so no meeting be sapa so a chese no club executives no enso so eniam ye fone se Ghana Football Association no eho ana mbo akohia na bibia so netima akoso ni ahwe de ensam no enso so betimi enso edi akosie na Frederick Achampon enso ESCO member GFA ESCO member wakasa eden sambi anso atima tudwa na ebusan se da bai ana se Ghana league no ye be resume but in some way enso atima tudwa.
I think the league is supposed to, because one of the agreements is also that after this, tomorrow we are meeting with the supported leaders. Then next week we are calling all our match commission. We're going to take them through. They know it, but we need to enforce it to the latter, especially based on the agreement with some of the protocols we are doing here. We're inviting all the match commissioners to also take them through. Then the following weekend, if nothing changes, we hope that the league can resume.
Nano Echino Frederick Achi enso esaye kasa eto aso se uram woni afane se Francis ya from Pon afane se Pole no ni wo a wono so wuye no enipa bia a wonimu bia no a wo se emra enso so etimi ni dipa.
Only one outcome, that perpetrators must be brought to book. They must face justice. That's the outcome, because what happened there goes beyond football. It's crime, it's murder. And the perpetrators must be brought to book. They must face the full rigor of the law. Okay. All the provisions in Uganda's criminal code, in terms of murder, must be applicable here. You remember the chairman or the owner of the club was arrested. Yeah. Why was he arrested? because it was in the news that he might have instigated the people to go there. When it comes to that, you are abetting crime. So you understand, all these things are there. That's why they are arresting all those people. So go to court, you go and say your side of the story. If you're exonerated, fine, but they must find the killer or the killers, and they must face the full rigor of the law.
Enom ensema kache se no so timi course wa yedi ehon nsam enso betima beda no da anache se ewuram enso so a ewura free manager I friend se Alex Kote enso ebetina TV so beki kansam se opanya friend se George Afriye enso e obi ache se kase bribe party a opanya no ono so adkwadare mu papa ono kra man ne bribe senka ono enkodi match na che sansem ne bai ma George Afriye so lawyers e ka so mo ne se me ko pio court na we anache se Alex Crote enso so ababo ntia be pache se nsem no Kenya no na che se enye no kre yinkotie ensema Alex Crote e de tudwa
Baha no.
Yes,
on George Free.
Yes, my friend up
bribe issue no.
My friend up Panicho.
Okay.
Man can ye. Into don't fancy me. Na say na ya down fanu sit here no. Yen to asusa. George Free ya man down for. In fact, in football, or no number to say I'm very close to him.
Okay.
Into no me sheda enye bibi fan tanishini din. So me say be brave. O fancy me. Minya kwanye can be kakra wo Bible no.
Okay.
And I think Matthew 5 verse 9. I can say, blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the sons of God. Peacemakers. Into no, and then you me ba say ye ba be peace. Ye ba be twin assembly mo. Into no minuanu mi.
Okay.
Kasai. In fact, Omukra friend me Kasai na Omukra be can a lot of moves and so na ye bahano.
Okay.
So mpesa me gira efidie so na me san country me say George Free say me say no me panicho. Man kan ye. On fa me. Na me san so retract this statement na me ye no. Na me share no boss say enya dia bibisa e be sibio. Eno ano.
Niggas or retracted the idea kind of no grow.
Me see my retracted. You see as
one can year and I say no great. Both. Mr. No. Both. O come both are the Uti na green banana. Say and no cress or he once offered a bribe and I say who person some great banting no there whatever may be the case no or they said they will apologize na no
Mr. Send me in your opinion asama ye kan be atwa sign
and green son dey will be at here but who care son
in all respects send ya obi beti asio send ya say ya retract you send ya nyenu kro ya pacho o pacho there na che say one can ye two enyen kure 2 3 yenjanam enka.
Okay.
So whichever way or whichever angle will be a heno ye de yasem ni an say ye pacho.
Okay.
After the mamin so family kitu ento aso.
We ensema Alex Kote enso so edituja. Yeah, we mun idea Ghana ye referees, ye football mudi animo. E better football no so etima koso. Obetanu atwantro ade chana we pacha. Since o pacha we yen kiyan hwe ntino no we pacha. Sa ade pe no so timi koso. Nti we mun na ka ye football no a. Ye football no ankasa de bia entro sembe koso. Every day entro sembe koso because o ma dwena ye ntro. Ti o mun na de papa. Say ya cancel be sababo nta be pacha ya pacha so amanfo beti enti nka we bae na nka wo pacha no nka to ja free ye anti ana wodi ono so still wada asem ne kokko to anka we di besua ade enso atimafrim ade ase da bia entrosem ye tanesha manfo image dia na obinya frim yanto so fansem no enso so emretie fa no me de bremo se wuram e woni e fa ne se e nasco coach of the month no enso dia na me de buy se coach I fa ne se e Abubakar Watara e kan won afei opanya e fa ne se prosper na te ogum enso so etimi e kan won ana kwaku danso ate se ono so e coach e ma betim United no so e kan afei wuram so a nasco player of the month aye awards no nominees no so etima babonten ate se no so so enye easy kwa na mo fa players maako 4 na sese mo so 8 million na nominees no Kwampoku enso so eka wosina kaide ma Asante Kotoko 4 matches enso etimi ehye 4 goals ede ma Asante Kotoko 360 minutes ana Kwampoku enso eboyem Darvin ayeye boa sina kaide ma Bechem United about 5 matches ehye 2 goals 2 man of the match award na fame waje minutes of boy no so 421 afi uram so Samuel Atakumi sina kalma bibia no Good Stars ono so bo 6 matches e 3 goals 1 man of the match award and afi bo 536 minutes mawuli wayo sina kalma team fene se ya Krato Folk and so sunom 8 miguram bo 7 matches e 3 goals man of the match award no waje 2 about 315 minutes and minutes boy no na chese no so etimi swapa a chese no so ya de no so etimi koso a ya de ehonsam enso so etimi edeba na bibia so no etimi akoso ntiwe no ya de chese no koso na wuram e wa hato focus so ye mpacho boy afane se ye KONADU YIADOM enso so e defender de matimi fane sakrato folk na ne eba so ne se empanifo enso hu ne se ne performance a se KONADU YIADOM enso de matimi fane sakrato folk no e true say one so no etimi 10 contract no enso de man kama from standing the contract no esanse nipa ya dia wasaye yi entina waso so etimi standing the contract no edema KONADU YIADOM timpani fortana se die KONADU YIADOM no amso etimi standing the contract no enso etimi edi amatima ye fene sakrato folk na bibia so no enso etimi akos team no be resume nyambo Monday ana ye hwene se team no enso betimi resume na fe training no enso akoso no se team no break ate se omo so hwene mom se bibia so betima akoso kama nyambo Monday no team no so etima resume na fe training enso so etimi abaso na intiwe
because when I was in school I was giving commentary interconia there me running commentary both athletics and football. I was running commentary that it will be as they say we sports commentator that you know, but the onyame parent lawyer. Yes. Well, so
you comment me ready.
Oh yes. What else? When you look at it, say in there, akwa mo bi ahwe ne nkwa. Mate say you be share ne Bible, but would that bring that person back to life? It will not.
Say Uncle John passed away a few months ago.
Oh, mommy say, yeah, I need to go. You see, so when you look at it, Bimia, say, Sadia Koswa, Adina Koswa, Kakrania Yewe, Team Wewe, look at Mino, Ghana football, I confirm, any dear Koswing, me blame me as Asante Kotoko. Because, say, Ujai decision. Emma vision nomini mediama nomini adiso muntekia ayeko look we talk now can you say akwaku share world summit me 50 gram we a powerful US you know be shem ramaye so they do we ye gaka Kotoko ni as him any sports we him so you take decisions when you can use your trump card say sanity okay yen bobium let them yen bobium look omujai league ni ball for 1 year it will sanitize our football. I'm telling you they can be playing friendly matches among themselves. Their supporters will understand. January one friendly match, Easter one friendly match, one friendly match, Otu 4 year fashion one friendly match. A year one friendly match is 6. They are using that to sanitize the system. Apart from that, they can go to Togo, Burkina Faso to go and play. Very number. Uncle Valentine Day be ejinemu de na that time na yeah bo 4th June 6 March whether it is Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday say bo Valentine Friday or so ejinemu you are starting bomb the rule. So bomb league to sanitize the system. The system must be sanitized because everyone say both are binding Kofunyan Chasio. Look at, let's even take the 18 clubs now. Obia register 25 players. 25 players will be registered now. Ombenya coach assistant coach. Yebenya Mazwa, Yebenya the technical department wo ho, administrative department wo ho. Enti every club you crown ben playing for 50. Who the yemfa say 50. 50 times 18 years. You understand me? Enti no look at Nkrofo who na who employ home. And all these clubs the lower tier are almost say 50 with that. So if a idea say the come this are the areas that say the corner, you be to sanitize it, you have to do to sanitize it. Say these small clubs will say what they want, and the tech house of folks say take it or leave it. You tell them take it or leave it, and you are not there to bully, but you are there to make sure that the right thing is done. You are not there to bully, because your father said in name said okay, look at it, say you were able to in there as a football creator minimum. But those 97 to 2000, I was with the players. As of I was with them at the same time. Monday to Friday, you call training. You go training. You be put training. You be on be bria. We ma chum ta abada. We me fi offices. We mo training no training. You match. Training a bob bill training no says here no is more than say bia mediama any bia golf sas ebo match a bob bill go and a do Friday day no dey super go Friday no be home be jira ho no we say team no microphone nie yes we nya that says that time now like I say GVC to team news all go tiri how I feel over try like I say you coach you know when you by way you are there for yourself ube shading na your point training na yaba parliament I was circle ho yaba be na say about ho no ma you be team wa bobo sa did team wa bobo a obo say e be 90 ans le be few na dey and when Jones was alive many Nkrofo people go there will sit down with him they be am can say share unyansa there were certain times argument is not the right word we'll discuss things with Jones and Jones will tell us oh you are right only so be people Jones will go and practice it training. Ebia ocean no say anka born na boy no anka say we let me tell you something Nkrofo nim ye no Kotoko match